Finally got enough logs sanded to take some up to the hill. Starting to actually get in the way. So here I've got a snowmobile trailer since we're only moving these a few miles to get it to the build site. Pulled the trailer, the truck, about 3 miles down the road. Had the LS follow behind. Here's proof that an LS tractor will most likely beat a John Deere any day, especially with the amount of money. This incline, I know I've mentioned it before, I don't know what the angle is, but it's more than a 412 roof. Not a 612, but more than a 412, so probably 60% of a 45-degree angle. Fairly significant, but no problem whatsoever. Hauling at least 1,000 pounds of logs in the front end while running it up in four-wheel drive. The original plan was to pull the trailer up the hill or to pull the logs behind. But the road obviously is not narrow, or too narrow, so you can see here as I'm lifting the logs up over the embankment. Just kind of giving you a shot looking down. It's pretty steep on that side. Here's the landing area. The build site is actually to the south of here and up another 10 or 15 feet around another switchback. Here's a quick clip. You can just kind of see me climbing the hill. My wife was filming this and I wanted you guys to see how steep this actually is. And back down to gain some more logs. And here it is, all the logs, top of the hill. Got it tarped up, protected from rain until we get time to stay in it. Here's who I originally wanted to use as my tractor to pull the logs up the hill. This guy right here, Pluto, is a 4-year-old workhorse. He's worked with the Amish a little bit, but not broken in. As you see, he can kind of push me around.